Thank you, Namrata. She summed up whatever you felt this day. You have seen recycling resources. We have very limited resources. Some are renewable, some are non-renewable. Okay, so recycling process has come into existence because we have to protect the nature. All resources are not renewable. So in order to take care of the resources which are already existing in the universe, recycling has come into picture. So in order to take care of our own globe wherein we are existing, this is a wonderful process because we are seeing many articles in newspapers, and we have so many summits and conferences, okay, regarding protection of earth, protection of ourselves, and Haritaharam, which has been taken up by the government, is a part of this only. In order to protect ourselves, we have started Haritaharam. And I think you have understood today, previously we used to think that paper can be made only from trees. But now you have understood that there are various other sources. We cannot live without paper. Okay, we need paper, but still whatever has been used by us, that itself can be recycled and then again made into paper. So for our school, our children and staff and everybody who has seen, because when we have done our B.Ed, our teachers told, learning by doing, you will learn more. The amount of remembrance you have when you see what is the amount of remembrance, when you learn it by doing, the amount of remembering will increase, because practically when you learn, you will remember it for your lifetime. So all of you enjoyed today? Yes. Everybody liked the program? Yes. You have got interest in recycling? Yes. Very good, wonderful job. So I thank him for all the strain he has taken in order to create an awareness among us. And I tell you on the stage that the person who is here, he himself will give salaries of around 15 lakhs to people, his workers. Okay, and still, so humbly, he has come to us to tell small children. Okay, a person who is giving 15 lakhs of salaries for 1 month, imagine what is his status, okay? But still he has come down to our school just to create an awareness. He doesn't need it. His business will continue even if he doesn't come and tell and explain it here. His business will continue. His business was there. It will flourish even later also. So this is not, this has been taken up on a charity bent of mind, not on a business bent of mind. Okay, for that, I really congratulate you, sir. Thank you very much. And as a token of gratitude, we will felicitate him with a small token of gratitude, please.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.